Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable new Parallax wallpapers with effects on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, go to Play Store and download this wallpaper app on your Galaxy device. This app direct Play Store link available on description. Simply download and open. After open, look at these many beautiful categories, and this is complete Parallax wallpapers with 3D effect. Look at this. Simply choose any one. Like this. Simply tap on next, and after tap on next, look at these customize options. You also add template, photo, text, sticker, brush, text brush. Guys, if you want to change this photo background, then simply tap on add photo, select photo, and guys, if you want to remove background, then simply tap on remove background, and look at this. You also remove background like this. For now, I'm going back, and first let me show you how to change background. Simply tap on add photo, select background, and tap on use photo. And look at this. New background add on my photo. Simply tap on next. After tap on next, look at this effect. Simply set effect according to your wallpaper. Simply tap on save. Tap on set wallpaper. Simply set home screen and lock screen, and look at this new Parallax wallpaper enable on your Galaxy device with effect. Look at this Parallax wallpaper. Let me show you another wallpaper. Simply select another wallpaper. Look at this fish. Simply tap on next. Tap on next, and this time I select this water effect. Look at this. Simply tap on save, tap on set wallpaper, home screen, and lock screen. And look at these new Parallax wallpapers apply on your Galaxy device. So guys, you also enable these new Parallax wallpapers with effects on your any Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.